Hi guys, so I want to teach us how to take partials on a trade. For example, you're on this trade and currently you're in profit. So let me say I'm on 0.50 lots on this and I want to take parts of my profits. So what I do here, I just click on this zero icon here. I click on it, then I go to this minus. I reduce my lot size. Yeah, as you can see, reduce my lots. Okay, I've collected 0.20 lots, so I'm collecting $39.60 out of the profits I've already made, as you can see. Then I'm closing it. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. I've reduced the other one. I'm gonna take some profits for this one. I've used 0.50, so I'm gonna reduce my profits here. I'm gonna collect 20, so I'm leaving 0.30. I've collected $37.80. So exactly what I've done. So guys, that's just it. So instead of closing the entire trade, especially when the trade is still going to TP, as you can see, it's still heading to TP. So we just collect parts of the profits. Then that's all. Thank you so much for watching.